Ever wonder why your Brazilian wax doesn't deliver? It's frustrating, isn't it? You expect smooth skin, but end up with patchy results. Today, we'll uncover the one mistake most people make. Fixing this will change your waxing experience forever. Welcome to MTH Health. Here, we provide simple, science-backed fixes that actually work. Let's dive into the real reason your wax keeps failing. Many blame the product or the technique. But that's not the true issue. The real problem is much simpler: your hair length. If it's too short, the wax won't grip. Too long, and the hair breaks. Either scenario leaves you with less than perfect results. So, what's the perfect hair length? Most people don't know that it's about 1/4 inch long. That's roughly the length of a grain of rice. This is when waxing works best. At this length, the wax can grip from the root, giving you smoother skin and longer lasting results. But it gets worse. Many people make another common mistake: shaving between sessions. This resets your hair cycle completely. It leads to uneven waxing, more pain, and less smoothness. Consistency is key. Let your hair grow out properly. Wait 3 to 4 weeks before each waxing session. Trim only if absolutely necessary. Avoid shaving. This will train your hair cycle and improve your results. Here's a bonus tip most ignore, but it makes a big difference: exfoliate 24 hours before your waxing appointment. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin, which reduces the risk of ingrown hairs and improves wax grip. The result? Smoother skin every time with less irritation. So, let's recap. It's not complicated. One small mistake is causing your waxing failures. Fixing this mistake changes everything. You now know what to do and what to avoid. So, fix that hair length and stay consistent. For more simple and effective health tips, follow MTH Health. We provide easy fixes that actually work.